Okay guys, we're going to the Crown Lounge. It's only accessible from the port side aft elevator because it's on deck 14. So we'll wait for the elevator and we'll get up there. Here we go. Let's go. Alright, as we get out, you'll notice that the elevators on the other side do not open, and there's a lot of destruction or bumpiness. Here we go. Deck 14. Yes. And this has the great view of the ship as we go around. Alright, there's the Crown Lounge. I don't know if you can see it. It says so. And we'll slip our card in. And we're in. Okay, I'll have photos of what it looks like. There's the services desk for any assistance that you might need. Plenty of seating in here. Okay, and they usually have some goodies for you in the morning and in the evening. But today, I just want a cup of coffee. And we'll give you a quick review of making some coffee. Guys, the coffee's good, and that is a quick review of the Crown Lounge location and it's a quick review of what it's like on a Freedom class ship on Royal Caribbean. Take care guys. Thank you for subscribing. Have a great day.